Starting around 02 September 2023. Sort of spell especially token. Essentially is exchanging at $0.00455537 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54%. In most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Spell in a real sense has an exceptionally complete market cap of $48,909,482, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,201,143 in opposition to prevalent thinking. This in a real sense makes explicitly spell token, spell, most certainly positioning at 370 in the digital currency market, which sort of is genuinely huge. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the spell especially token cost expectation end of 2023. What will spell commonly token especially be genuinely worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is for the most part spell commonly token a genuinely wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023? Which basically is genuinely huge. Will generally spell cost especially outperform its unsurpassed high? Which is genuinely huge. These for the most part are basically spell in every practical sense, token cost expectations for spell's future, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Spell extremely token, spell, value expectation 2023. As per the spell commonly token gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The spell cost basically is supposed to cross a kind of normal value level of $0.00056821. The normal by and large least value worth of essentially spell, fundamentally token, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to especially be $0.00054935 in a huge manner. Besides sort of spell can for the most part arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.00059828. Which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Spell truly token, spell, value estimate August 2023. The spell especially token, spell, cost for August 2023. May especially arrive at a truly least worth of $0.00045274, while the by and large most extreme determined cost in a real sense is around $0.00050934. Or so they all things considered thought. The kind of typical cost for really spell essentially is somewhat anticipated to in every practical sense. Reach $0.00049519 in August 2023. Which especially is very critical. Spell value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of by and large spell, genuinely token is gauged to generally be at around an extremely least worth of $0.00049142, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The spell token value worth can sort of arrive at a limit of $0.00052914, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.00051500 in United States dollars, which essentially is very huge. Spell fundamentally token, spell, value conjecture October 2023. For October 2023. The cost of especially spell truly token especially is in every way that really matters, anticipated to basically arrive at a kind of typical cost of $0.00053045, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $0.00054974 and a kind of least of $0.00051158, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Spell exceptionally token, spell, value expectation November 2023, concerning November 2023. Basically spell essentially token cost generally is conjecture to especially arrive at a kind of the least cost of $0.00052749, or so they thought. The spell cost could especially arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.00057096, with the very normal expected cost around $0.00054636, which especially is genuinely huge. Spell token, spell, value conjecture December 2023. The spell truly token, spell, cost for December 2023. May truly arrive at a very least worth of $0.00054935, while the by and large greatest gauge cost in a real sense is around $0.00059828. So on the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the SPEL token cost expectation end of 2023. What will truly SPEL really token be especially worth in 2023 in an all things considered enormous way? The especially normal cost for certainly SPEL is generally anticipated to by and large reach $0.00056821 in December 2023, showing how fundamentally is for the most part SPEL especially token a wise speculation, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023. Kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking, SPEL exceptionally token truly passed value examination and the beyond 24 hours. The crypto by and large has been truly diminished by 0.84% in its kind of current worth, so sort of SPEL fundamentally token, SPEL value expectation 2023, as per the SPEL, pretty symbolic figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the SPEL cost in every way that really matters is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.00056821, the normal sort of least value worth of generally SPEL kind of token toward the finish of the for the most part current year ought to in a real sense be $0.00054935 in a genuinely significant manner. Assuming we generally analyze the sort of current market cap of the SPEL with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap generally is likewise down, or so they truly thought. SPEL most certainly token explicitly is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins, which really is genuinely huge. The SPEL truly is down to nearly 2.49% in the especially most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for especially past by and large couple of days. The coin could have sort serious areas of strength for of at the same time. We don't in every practical sense imagine that it would a beneficial resource in all things considered, present moment, so the sort of normal cost for explicitly SPEL certainly is generally anticipated to really reach $0.00056821 in December 2023, exhibiting how sort of is in every way that really matters, SPEL especially token a wise venture, or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023. Or so they explicitly thought. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of especially SPEL generally diminished by 42.605%, taking out an incredible sort of normal amount of $0.00033803 from its really current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be an especially great generally purchase and open door for fast speculation, showing how SPEL value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of explicitly SPEL especially token truly is gauged to be at around a truly least worth of $0.